Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So before we start this challenge, make sure you like
and subscribe to this channel.
Today we're gonna play
the fastest one to eat potato chips.
I'm gonna show you what I'm going to eat today. So I'm gonna eat a barbecue flavored potato chips. Well, if you want it, just go Bankalin to buy it. And this cheese ball, it's also at Bankalin. And this is what I'm gonna eat. So there's sweet popcorn for no reason. There is chili con toss with tea. And there's chicken flavored crackers. Your turn.
And we've got two more. There's this cheese flavored rings, meow meow. It sounds funny, but okay.
Throughout the challenge, we're gonna drink some Coke to wash down the potato chips.
Seriously, potato chips can be very dry, but these are cheese balls. So
Okay.
So first, we're gonna play scissors, paper, stone.
So now we're gonna start the game, and so we're gonna scissors, paper, stone. Whoever wins gets to pick their potato chips first.
Mickey first, okay? Come to the paper.
No, first one.
No, wait. Come on.
Scissors, paper, stone. Wait, but how about
Wait, not yet. Now, you both.
Scissors, paper, stone.
Scissors, paper, stone.
So Mickey, next Daisy. Which one you pick? You saw there.
I picked cheese balls. They're my
I pick
favorite.
barbecue.
Daisy,
Like just now I said.
yeah, we both. Okay. Scissors, paper.
Okay, okay.
No?
Maybe you should pick the other one later.
这个可以点入10 minutes healing.
Okay.
Wait. 10 minutes healing. คุณจ้าจะอันนี้ไปที่แต่เป็นโชว์ให้กีฬาให้
Wait, I'm cold. And don't open it yet because mine is
And
wrong.
we need to tell the girl. Wait.
Yeah, and
Oh my. Okay, let's bring scissors. Oh wait, what's the scissors? Okay, I got scissors.
I don't need scissors.
well, some people did, mister.
During that, you
Cut
can
it
only
out
get
and
one.
the salt.
You can take your own things.
I just put my finger in there.
Okay, I'm just gonna cut open this. I'm gonna set the Google in a minute.
So here, 10 minutes can you do? Okay, we need to tell the girl, okay?
No yet.
Wait. Vicky, where are you?
I'm ready.
Come move. They see you also come move.
I have one.
I just came out with freshly cheese balls.
Fresh.
Okay, wait.
One
I need to
ready.
take here. 1, 2, 3. Wait. Okay, Google.
Not yet.
Ask Google. Can you?
Okay, Google, count down 10 minutes. Not yet.
Sure,
Now.
10 minutes. And we're starting now.
Mine is too much. you pick up popcorn.
I picked up cheese balls.
You can eat more yummy.
But I won. Why your cup so cool?
Okay, Google, how long?
7 minutes and 35 seconds to go.
Ah!
7 minutes only left. Not enough.
Mine is so much.
Hmm?
Mine is so much. Finish.
Even though you did that. Mickey saw the vision. Okay, Google, stop. Time's up. Hmm.
Right.
Time's up.